Get ready to embark on a journey like no other with a travel hub. With our edgy and sexy style, we promise to make your travel dreams come true. So buckle up and get ready to meet the rock star of travel.
Here in Dubrovnik, Croatia, you have so many things to do. You have kayaking, you have the speedboat here, and you get an idea of how big the hotel still is, even though it's destroyed.
Nowadays, when they are on the boat, they're like, "Oh, look, that nice hotel," and I'm like, "There's nothing in that
There's
hotel."
nothing. Especially when you experience something like this.
Yeah.
Get one of these. This is classic. Going into a pub here in Dubrovnik.